All right, Mr. Guyton. We are here at Hail Specialists, and you are getting your vehicle back. This is your vehicle right behind you.
Yes, sir.
Wanted to ask you a few questions and see what you think about these things. So, want to see, were you satisfied with your communication from Hail Specialists?
Yes, I was. It was a rocky road at first, but we finally got everything done, taken care of.
Perfect. And then, were you satisfied with the repairs Hail Specialists performed?
Yes, I'm satisfied. Got new paint, got my truck back. Pretty happy right now.
Yeah, it looks good. Were you satisfied with the communication you received from your insurance provider?
It was so-so. They didn't really get back to me. I had to keep calling them several times.
And you work nights too, so you got to have some accommodation there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you believe your insurance is acting in accordance with the contract or policy they sold you, and are they correctly indemnifying you as their customer? You know, when you buy an insurance policy, you promise a certain set of stuff, right?
Yeah.
And one of those things usually, you know, restoring your vehicle pre-loss condition, you know, after it gets damaged. So
Yeah.
do you believe they've been acting in accordance with the contract they sold you and properly indemnifying you, or not?
Not really, but I'm gonna get away from there and get some better insurance.
Yeah. What insurance company do you have, by the way?
I got Kemper.
Kemper
Yeah.
Insurance. All right. And then, you know, basically, you know, part of your policy, I think, covers like a little bit of aftermarket components, like a bed cover. They didn't pay for that. You're paying for that today, right?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna pay for that.
All right. And we're going to take care of you and make sure you get a good deal on it. Okay. Were there any troubles, delays, or issues when contacting your insurance adjuster? You ever like not able to get a hold of him? You ever play phone tag? You ever promise like a phone call back and give you a phone call back?
Yeah, I played phone tag with him for a couple months. So.
A couple months. Oh crap. Okay. So, you know, Kemper, they run advertisements, whether it's on social media or whether it's anywhere else, TV, whatever. Do you feel that your insurance provider treated you how they advertise, or do you feel like their advertisements are a misrepresentation of the service they provide?
False advertising.
False advertising, yeah. You didn't get everything you believe you should, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, did your insurance provider give you a written letter of denial explaining what they did not want to pay for? And did you know that Texas Department of Insurance requires all insurance companies to do this when denying a claim?
No, they didn't.
They didn't? Okay. Do you believe the rates your insurance company is wanting to pay are reasonable, taking into consideration the safety of the driver and the occupants of the vehicle?
No, they was trying to save money.
Trying to save money? Okay. All right. And then why do you think your insurance provider is refusing to pay for what's properly owed? They have an agenda of profits, severity mitigation, bonuses.
Probably trying to just save money and probably get bonuses.
Yeah, bonuses, yeah. People do get bonuses, right? Did your insurance provider ever speak about Hail Specialists in a negative way throughout the repair process? If so, how did this affect how you perceived Hail Specialists as your chosen repair facility?
Well, they really didn't say nothing about Health Specialists. They just said it was.
All right, that's fine.
Yeah.
How much did your insurance company short Hail Specialists, and do you think this will negatively impact Hail Specialists? I think, what were they short? A little over $2,000?
Probably $2,000, yeah.
A little over $2,000, and $1,000 of that I think was your bed cover.
Bed cover, yeah.
Right. So, yeah. Now you're coming out of pocket a little bit for that, and you know they're gonna go ahead and they're gonna have to hopefully reimburse you when you give them a receipt.
I hope so.
Yeah, me too. And do you believe it is right for a multi-billion-dollar company to try and short a local repair facility, trying to help the community? And do you believe it's right that the insurance company treat any repair facility or customer in this way?
No, they shouldn't try to lowball the small companies.
Yeah, cause a lot of issues and delays, right?
Yeah.
All right, would you recommend anyone a Hail Specialist?
Yes, I will.
All right, would you recommend anyone a Kemper?
Nah, probably not.
All right.